Welcome back to this tutorial series. In this video, we'll be going over the ICD9 to ICD10 conversion, specifically step 4. You use this option to convert all billing diagnoses to ICD10 after converting all other residents, or current residents. Of course, you'll need to complete the rest of the steps, which I have, as you can see, check marks right here. If you go to the right, you have these YouTube videos here. Simply click on any of these different buttons to go to a specific YouTube page for the corresponding step. So for this one right here, you would go to step 1. Same thing with step 4, but you were already on that video. Now simply click on this rectangular box, which has the information of how many diagnoses linked to financial setup. For this one, we have 1. Click on here, as you can see, and just press OK. It'll bring you to this. There are 1 invalid diagnosis linked to this financial setup. Click on that, and it will bring me to this page. The only thing that you will really be using is the diagnosis right here, this little box. You have the admit diagnosis. Simply click on here and choose an appropriate admittance, as you can see, depending on what information you have for this current resident, as you can see right here. You will need a admit diagnosis and at least 1 diagnosis. Usually you have a lot more than that. So you can choose any of these or the appropriate one. And the same thing goes with diagnosis 1. Simply click on this and fill this out. Now sometimes when you are filling it out, there will be a blank one. You will, again, need at least fill in 1 diagnosis and the admit diagnosis. Very, very simple. Simply click on one of these and change it. Very, very simple. So you would go down here and simply fill it out. So if I go to diagnosis 8, I could choose this one and it would just input it in. Once you're done, simply click done right here. You can also see the different residents here for the different ones and sort them by here. Usually you wouldn't be doing that since it will do this for you. This is just an optional thing that you may need. And once you're done, simply click done. And as you can see, no more financial information to update. Press OK, and bring you back to the screen. As you can see, step 4 has been checked out, and you have finished the ICD9 to ICD10 conversion completely, and that is